Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting topic to dive into: setting up your very own online store with Shopify. Whether you're a small business owner, a budding entrepreneur, or just someone looking to start selling online, Shopify is a platform that can make your e-commerce dreams come true. In this video, we'll take you through the pros, the cons, the important of Shopify, and we'll also tell you the step-by-step process of setting up your own Shopify website. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Fumilaya from Bet Media, and in today's video, we will be talking about setting up your Shopify store. Do not forget to like and subscribe to see more of our videos. What is Shopify, you might ask? Shopify is a user-friendly e-commerce platform that helps small business build an online store and sell online through one streamlined dashboard. Shopify sellers can create a cutting-edge online store and sell using email, SMS, chat, sellers market, other blogs, and websites, and with its integrated point of sale for retail storefronts, pop-up store, market sales, and more. Shopify makes it simple to do in-person transaction as well. So there, what can you then sell on Shopify? Shopify supports sales for virtually all types of goods and services, including physical products that you ship yourself, digital products delivered via download, such as ebook, music file, and digital gift cards, dropship items that ships to customer directly from your vendor, goods and services that are sold in retail stores, products and services that are sold in person via mobile location, services sold and managed through online booking, subscription boxes and membership with automatic recurring payment, online courses, tutorial, workshops and webinars, and also tickets and passes for events, local tour and attraction, then retail sport equipment, formal wear, cameras, and more. So basically, you can sell literally anything on Shopify. What is the Shopify process? Shopify works by centralizing your customer information, product, and administrative activities into a single system that links to all your sales channels without any interruption. Shopify makes it simple to investigate and expand into a new product line and sales channels once foundation elements are in place. Here are a step-to-step process of how Shopify works from the initial setup to managing your sales. Number 1, you need to sign up for Shopify in order to be able to use the service. You can test drive Shopify for free for 3 days. Shopify doesn't even ask for your credit card details upfront. And if you like what you see, you can then sign up and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for €1 per month and select your desired plan. Number 2, then you have to connect your sales channel. The account support wizard connects your initial sales channel, which you can change and expand at any time. Number 3, you have to choose your business location. Your location is used to set up, for example, your default shipping rate. Number 4, then you enter your product's data and find items to sell. Enter your item details, pricing, images for products that you make or source yourself, and tap into the Shopify Handshake wholesale network and dropship from vendors to find items to sell. Number 5, now you set up your payments. You can activate Shopify payments with one click to start accepting payments right away, or connect your existing payment processor to your dashboard. Shopify supports more than 100 external payment processors. For help choosing the right one, check the best credit card processing companies. And there you have it. You've set up your first Shopify store. So what are the pros and cons of using Shopify, you might ask? First, Shopify offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to create and manage an online store. Number 2, you would have access to a wide range of customizable themes and ensure your stores look unique and professional. Number 3, Shopify handles all the technical aspects like hosting, security, and updates, so you can focus on your business. Number 4, there is a robust app store with thousands of apps to extend your shop functionality. And finally, Shopify offers excellent customer support 24/7 to help you whenever you need assistance. So what are the cons of Shopify store? The monthly fees does add up if you are just starting out, and customization options might be limited for advanced users who want complete control over their shop design. Number 3, the transaction fees on certain payment gateway can eat into your profits. Number 4, while the app is great, some essential features that you might need for your store, you might need to use third parties app, and which sometimes are not free to use and can increase your cost. Now that you've known the pros and the cons of using Shopify, let's talk about the importance for your business. Shopify can help you reach a global audience, manage your inventory frequently, and provide tools for marketing and analytics to grow your business. Plus, it is trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. So that's a wrap on our guide on setting up your Shopify store. We covered the pros and the cons, highlighted its importance, and walked you through the setup process. If you have any question, or if you would like us to help you design your own Shopify store, do not hesitate to send us an email at info@betmedia.com. That's it for you guys. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.